Homeowners, ever wonder why so many investors want to offer a guaranteed cash offer on your home? Billboards, radio ads, letters in your mailbox, text messages, postcards, everyone seems to want to buy your house fast. Here's the part most homeowners need to understand. Many of those offers exist because your home may be worth much more than what they're offering. Now, to be clear, a cash offer is not always a bad option. For some sellers, speed and simplicity matter most. But the question every homeowner should ask is this: am I choosing convenience because it's best for me, or because I don't know I have better options? Today's smart sellers are discovering a better strategy. They're working with professionals who can provide many of the same benefits investors advertise, selling as is, reducing stress, and simplifying the entire process. But here's the difference. The goal is not to buy your home at a discount. The goal is to help you net more money at the closing table. One major reason homeowners hesitate is fear of a big tax bill when they sell. That's a real concern. But fear should not be the strategy. The right first step is to understand your potential equity and tax exposure. Another reason sellers hesitate is deferred maintenance. Maybe the roof is older or the home needs updates. Here's the truth. You do not always need to fix everything before selling. You need a clear strategy. Many homeowners are also overwhelmed by years of belongings. But with the right plan, clean out, sorting, and preparation can be coordinated step by step. Another reason sellers pause is simple: lack of trust. When someone is rushing you to sign or discouraging you from getting other opinions, that is a red flag. Timing is another big concern. Where will I go? A good selling strategy should help you understand transition options and protect your next move before you commit. Before accepting any investor offer, compare it against what your home could bring when exposed to the right buyers. Sometimes the best buyer is an owner-occupant willing to pay more for potential. A professional ACE's strategy includes pricing analysis, market exposure, virtual remodeling visuals, and negotiation designed around your bottom line. The real mistake is not selling as is. The real mistake is selling as is without knowing your options first. So before you respond to the next postcard, billboard, or cash offer, get a second opinion. Know your home's real value, know your net, know your options. Then make the decision that is right for you. I'm Coach Frank D'Angelo, Minnesota probate and as-is real estate broker. My role is simple: help homeowners make an informed decision before they leave money on the table. If you're thinking about selling and want a smarter as-is strategy, connect with our team for a private consultation. Call us at Exit Realty Nexus at 612-228-11033.